Hey, good morning everybody. Today is Friday, July 29th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Let's get started this morning with our spectrum analyzer. It's important that we identify where the leadership in the market is. To that end, we use HGSI, High Growth Stock Investors Spectrum Analyzer, to identify market leadership on a daily basis. Yesterday, of the 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups, 8 came from application software, 7 from infrastructure software, 7 from semiconductor devices, 5 from information services, and rounding out the top 5, we had 5 medical devices. Seem to be seeing quite a bit of software here. Semiconductor devices have been very strong recently. Worth keeping an eye on. These might be good places to look for leadership as the market goes forward. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq Composite. Yesterday, the Nasdaq was up 15.17 points, or 0.3%. We closed at 51.54, and importantly, we took out this area of resistance, this long-term trend line. This has acted as resistance consistently for at least the past year. We blocked at resistance up here in the 51.64 area. We'll see if we can recapture that area and if this trend line acts as support. Trading volume yesterday was above average but well below the prior day. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend in the market. We have been since June 30th. We have only 2 distribution days, and those are fairly minor distribution days. And so they're not really a tremendous cause for concern at this point. Right now, the market seems to be bracketed by minor support or very short-term support at this trend line. More significant support down here in the 49.69 range, and resistance up here in the 51.64 area. Our market timing model is on a buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Let's see what the S&P 500 is up to. But before we do that, yesterday, after erasing earlier losses, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished slightly higher and near the top of their daily trading ranges on weaker trading volume. The S&P scratched out a 0.16% gain. The Nasdaq 0.3%. Both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 continue to respect significant support. For the Nasdaq, that's in the psychologically important 5,000 area. For the S&P 500, it's at May 2015 high in the 2134 area. It would be constructive to see any market consolidation hold those levels. Our market timing model for both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 is on a buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Investors.com is indicating a confirmed uptrend in the market with 2 distribution days on the Nasdaq and 3 on the S&P. Yesterday, advancing issues edged decliners. New highs continued to handily better new lows, but new lows are beginning to creep higher. Small capitalization stocks bettered large, but large caps continue to outperform on a 10-day moving average basis. The fastest market gains generally come when small caps are outperforming. We're on a buy signal on both the S&P and the Nasdaq, but the current advance may be losing some steam. While traders should be fully invested, or at least approaching fully invested, they should be keeping their stops in place and current. Okay. Yesterday, the S&P 500 was up 3.48 points, or 0.16%. We closed at 2170. Notice how we closed near the top of our daily trading range. S&P has been consolidating these gains that we saw from the end of June all the way through most of July. And notice we've been in this little consolidation. I don't like the fact that this consolidation appears to be a little bit of a mini downtrend. That's a concern. We'll see if we can break above this minor resistance at the recent high. Yesterday, trading volume was below average and below the prior day. The S&P 500 is in a confirmed uptrend. We have 3 minor distribution days, not really a cause for concern. The S&P right now is bracketed by support down here in the 2134 area, and resistance, very minor resistance at this high, right in this area. I'd like to see the S&P take that area out before we come back and retest support down here in the 2134 area. Our market timing model is on a buy. Let's talk about swing trading. We'll start by taking a look at the Nasdaq Composite again. Nasdaq yesterday closed above its 5-day simple moving average, which we show in pink, its 10-day simple moving average, which we show in green, and the 5-day is above the 10-day. That's our definition of a buy signal. Buy signal allows us to take long positions in our swing timing portfolio. Right now we currently hold 3 swing trade positions. AMH, which we bought on the break above this mini consolidation in the 2125 area. DW, which we bought on the break above this minor consolidation in the 9243 range. And finally, yesterday we bought RICE, which we bought on a stop limit at 64.29 on a bounce from its 50-day moving average. It should be noted that all 3 positions report earnings next week and should be sold prior to those reports. For more information on swing trading, please contact me. My contact information is on the homepage. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the homepage. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohannes & Liqueurs, Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohannes & Liqueurs, Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohannes & Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohannes & Liqueurs, Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohannes & Liqueurs, Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohannes & Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of push-button stock trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of push-button stock trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.